How to close a program using Task Manager. When using Windows, there will ultimately come a time when you need to close a program that is frozen, is malware, or is simply not behaving properly. Unfortunately, sometimes just clicking on the Windows Close button does not close a program properly. This guide will teach you how to use the Windows Task Manager to close a program in Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Make sure you do not terminate any Windows processes that are necessary for the proper operation of Windows, as doing so could cause Windows to crash or shut down. Processes that you should typically avoid terminating are lsass.exe and csrss.exe. To terminate, or close, a program in Windows 10 and Windows 8, you should press the Ctrl+Alt+Delete keyboard combination on your keyboard to open the Windows security screen. At the security screen, shown above, click on the Task Manager button. This will launch the Windows 10 8's Task Manager as shown below. Select the process, or program, you wish to terminate by left-clicking on it once so it becomes highlighted as shown in the image above. Once you select a process, the End Task button will become available. To close, or terminate, a program in Windows 7, you should press the Ctrl+Alt+Delete keyboard combination on your keyboard to open the Windows 7 security screen. At the security screen, shown above, click on the Task Manager button. This will launch the Windows 7 Task Manager as shown below. You now want to select the process, or program, you wish to terminate by left-clicking on it once so it becomes highlighted as shown in the image below. Once you select a process, the End Process button will become available. To terminate the program, click on the End Process button and the program will be terminated. Windows Safe Mode with Command Prompt is a special startup mode that allows you to access Windows in a stripped-down session where many drivers are not loaded. There is no networking, and the desktop is not loaded. From this mode, you can perform fixes, diagnostics, or any other task that you could normally do from a command prompt. If you use a computer, read the newspaper, or watch the news, you will know about computer viruses or other malware. These are those malicious programs that once they infect your machine will start causing havoc on your computer. What many people do not know is that there are many different types of infections that are categorized in the general category of malware. This tutorial will walk you through recovering deleted, modified, or encrypted files using shadow volume copies. This guide will outline using Windows previous versions and the program Shadow Explorer to restore files and folders as necessary. Many spyware, hijackers, and dialers are installed in Internet Explorer through a Microsoft program called ActiveX. These ActiveX programs are downloaded when you go to certain websites and then they are run on your computer. These programs can do a variety of things such as provide legitimate services like games or file viewers. But they can also be used to install hijackers and spyware on too. When you install Windows, you are shown the Windows license agreement that provides all the legal language about what you can and cannot do with Windows and the responsibilities of Microsoft. Finding this license agreement, afterwards, is not as easy. This tutorial will explain how to find the license agreement for the addition of Windows installed on your computer. VMDR Vulnerability Management. Detection and response, discover, assess, prioritize, and patch critical vulnerabilities in real time and across your global hybrid IT landscape, all from a single solution. Text source, bleepingcomputer.com.